Hey guys, in today's video we're going to show you how to use the new inbound order list view and how to use a new web version of the receive inbound order screen. Now, just a note, you're going to start out, you're going to go to recycling and you're going to go over to new inbound orders. When you do that, it's going to load up your inbound orders list view, and you can note there's filters on the left. You could pin it. Now, this is going to allow you to kind of look through all the various columns. Some of the stuff you're not really, potentially not going to use. So if you're not interested in, let's say, the settlement complete date, reference number 3, you can move those out. Now, one of the things we're going to do on the filters, you could go to pending, scheduled. This page has been significantly enhanced from a speed standpoint. You can see, orders that were created in the last week very quickly today, or click again to clear that filter. Over at the top, you'll see any of the filters that have been selected, and you could save the search or you could clear filters. So a common thing you might want to use is show me all pending, scheduled, delivered orders that were created in the last, let's say, this month. Now, what you could do is do a save the search, and for the name, we could call this inbound. Now, this is going to create this as a filtered search. You could save it as a favorite for yourself. Now, it's saved, so if you ever refresh the page and you came back, you could just go over to Open Saved Filters, and then you could see your options here, and then hit Apply. And that'll save your filter. So if there are particular customers and different things that you focus on, you might want to set up that filter on the left and make that happen. Also, if you have any, you could see here under See All, you could do different filters like so and add that as part of your criteria. Okay, so after you've organized your screen in the best way you like, we're going to show you how to receive the order. So typically you're going to click the order. You can click one or more orders. You can hit print. Now, if you have any reports that you wanted to print, so if you had a quote sheet, maybe a work order, different things, you would select your printer, select the format that you need, and you can either download it or print it right to your printer. And if you have any labels that are needed and you want to pre-print those inbound order labels, just select the label, select how many copies that you want, and hit print. And that's going to print out the 4x6 labels. So that's how you use the new inbound orders list view. In the next video, we're going to show you how to use the new receiving process. So check that video out.